Hi everyone, welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. In this video, I'm going to share chicken cheese Seekh kebab. These kebabs are super flavorful, tender and delicious. You can make it with ingredients that are easily available in your kitchen. For this recipe, we need minced chicken 1 pound. First, we have to coarse grind 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, green chili 4, 1 inch ginger. Coarse grind them and add it to the chicken. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds crushed. Garam masala 1 teaspoon. Cumin powder 1 teaspoon. Pepper powder 1 teaspoon. Chili flakes 1 teaspoon. Salt to your taste. All-purpose flour 2 tablespoons. Corn flour 2 tablespoons. Mix all these ingredients with your hand. Add half cup of mozzarella cheese and give it a mix. Add 1 tablespoon crushed Kasuri methi and mix it well and let it rest for at least 30 to 60 minutes. After 30 minutes of rest, mix the mix again and then you can take a small lemon sized balls and make a log shape and then flatten with your hand. Similar way you can make all the kebabs and keep it ready. Before making those kebabs, just dip your hands in the water so that you can make the kebabs very easily. Heat oil in a pan or a grill if you have. Then you can place the kebabs side by side and cook on all the sides on low flame. Keep turning the kebabs after every 3 minutes so that all the sides are evenly cooked. Once the kebab turns golden brown, you can remove. You can serve hot with mint chutney or any of your favorite chutney and enjoy. Thanks for watching everyone. Hope you liked this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.